What's up, everybody? Dr. Craig Ingstrom here, but you can just call me Craig. So, in this video, how do you narrow down when doing a LinkedIn search to a smaller company or a big company, whatever you might be looking for? If you've been searching for jobs and you're using the filters, you might notice that there is no filter for company size. Used to exist, but around 2016, LinkedIn dropped that. But there is a workaround, and I'm going to show you in this video. So, first things first, sorry I'm not on the greatest camera, and also sorry if the audio is not great. I'm currently traveling, but I had a client reach out to me and ask that very question. Also, take a look at my new website that I'm building. It will be eventually craigingstrom.ninja, my site, but currently it's craigie.info. Just tell me what you think in the comments if you would like. Let's get started. Okay, so of course, I assume you know how to go about doing a job search, but just in case you don't, you go to jobs. You could search for something, let's say instructional designer. Now, I already have some filters on. Chances are you might not. So it might look something more like this. What you want to do is you'll see there's 7,299 results, way too many. So what you might want to do is start using the filters to narrow in. Some of my favorite filters are things like what specific experience level. The companies are going to be probably the bigger ones. So what I want to do is narrow down to the type of position I want, let's say full time. And then I go down and I'm going to focus in on under 10 applicants. Now, the thing is, it might still be a large company, but has few applicants if they've posted in, say, 24 hours. However, if it's been posted for about 15 days and there's a few applicants, well, then it might be the fact that it's a small company and just people aren't seeing it. So do keep in mind that is one strategy. But the best way to do this is when you are on your site and you want to search for something. Now, let's say we're going to search for public relations. Now what I want to do is go to companies, and there you have it. There is company size here. Now let's look at 1 to 10 employees. And if I go to all filters, you will see that there is job listings on LinkedIn. Click yes, show results, and look at this company right here, one job. Click on that. Looks like a great position in Dubai. So there you have it, folks. An easy way to go ahead and narrow down your job search to company size if you're looking for, say, small companies, or you only want to work for super large companies. I'm Dr. Craig Ingstrom, but you can just call me Craig because I'm an easygoing kind of guy. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel or following me on LinkedIn. And until I make the next video, I do hope that you have a wonderful day.